President William Ruto ni atugeretie ruhonge rwa mititu rwa KFS ni kuramata na kugitira mititu undu uria uthiete na mbere kugacirithia mititu na njira njega. Akiaria hindi igongona ria kurekereria maabitha 500 ma 74 aria marikitie mathomo ma kugitira mititu aria megukorwo makinyita itemi ruhonge-ini ruru, Ruto oigite uheani wa marua ma utemi wa miti megucoka kuheanwo na njira ya waragania na utemi na wa gucoka kuheanwo na njira ya tenda.
Old method of allocating forest resources to people in a manner that is not transparent has stopped. Going forward, all public resources in the forest will be tendered for in a transparent, clear manner so that we get value for the resources we have in our forests and also develop capacity for industries.
Hari ihinda ria mwaka umwe ruhonge rwa mititu ni ruhotete kugania shiringi bilioni 1, President akiuga ruhonge ruru ni ruhotete kwirugamirira na kwambiriria mwaka ukite wa kigina ruhonge ruru rutigucoka kugairwo mbeca kuma kigina-ini gia thirikari.
Because of the reforms that have been carried out this year, we only supported Kenya Forest Service to the tune of 280 million. The rest of the 4.7 billion budget is raised by Kenya Forest Service itself. And I have the undertaking of the Minister and the Kenya Forest Service that from next year, Kenya Forest Service will exit from requiring resources from the exchequer.
Niguo gutura mieke ya mawira guku bururi-ini, Ruto ni akinyiriirie ati gutire indo ithondekagwo na mbao iriguragwo kuma nja wa bururi na niguo kugitira biacara cia indo ici guku bururi-ini.
Therefore, an opportunity for business people to work with the Kenya Forest Service for us to create a robust forest products industry that will power the engines of our transformation.
President ni oritie maabitha ya kwaga gwikuruhania na ungumania wira-ini wao niguo mahote kugitira mititu na gukinyaniria kioneki gia thirikari gia kuhanda miti bilioni 15 gukinyaniria mwaka wa 2032.
I want to ask you, in this very important graduation ceremony, in the presence of your parents and families, do not allow your career to be tainted with integrity issues or laxity or incompetence. You have the opportunity to change course for Kenya Forest Service and make Kenya truly the environmental headquarters of the world by serving in a dedicated manner.
Geri Fotera, Shesheni ya Kameme TV, kuma gicigo bunge kia Gilgil County ni ya Nakuru, Njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.